Hello friends, this is your host Sushil. Welcome to my new video. In this video we are going to study or learn how we can create a quick response code using Microsoft applications. QR code are very often used these days on our mobiles, laptops and any of the ATM machines or railway stations or any other public places where some kind of security or access restrictions are required. QR code is nothing else but a two-dimensional squarish figure which is made up of hundreds and thousands of squares and dots pattern collectively prepared to uniquely identify the site or the page where it can be accessed through by using the QR code. Now on screen you are seeing typical two QR codes which if we compare we'll come to know that they do not resemble with each other in any way. I'm showing these examples to make it clear that QR codes are unique to a page or a site where they are devised or designed to reach the users through. QR codes are very much essentials when there are huge meetings or huge gatherings where all the participants have to access a page either to give some kind of reaction, reviews, feedbacks or registrations or any other purpose. In such case, if the QR code is displayed to all the users at the same go, rather than typing the long text of the path, they can just scan the QR code and reach the destination. QR codes were first devised by Mr. Hara Masahiro in Japan somewhere near about in 1995, and that was devised only for playing games. Certainly, these QR codes became very popular and now are means of accessing various websites, HTML pages, email addresses, SMS and many other utilities. So there are many sites which help the users to prepare the QR codes, but here in this video we are to see only the application of creating QR code using Microsoft. So let me begin with a new slide here, and now I'm going to explain you how to create QR code. I go to the Insert tab. From there I go to my add-ins. Since I don't have any add-ins right now on my ID of Microsoft, so you see this to be blank. I go again to Insert and to the tab of Get Add-ins. This tab is used for getting or accessing the add-ins those are available in Microsoft. In Microsoft Office, you will find number of applications which are available in the store to download. Some of them are paid while most of them are free. Here I am going to type QR and search for the QR code application, and what we see on the screen QR for Office is this what is required. Here one has to accept the line systems and privacy policy. So I say continue and it will load in my utility here. Once it's done, now let us go and understand what all things can be done or how the QR code can be generated. So here is the list of the applications or the pages those can be created QR code for. So HTTP, that is the normal unsecured web page. Then HTTPS is the secure one. Mail to, here you can type the mail address, the telephone number, the SMS, geo, and one can custom further applications. So now I'm going to use the HTTPS. I have my HTTPS site. So for example, I will go to my YouTube channel page. I have copied it and I'm going to paste it here in the window for the page text. As soon as I type it here, I see it reflects here and the QR code can be seen here. Now this QR code has got multiple options here. Well, first option I'm going to show you is the color. I can change the color to my wish and it will reflect here in the QR code. For me, the black color is okay, so I'm going back to the black. If I intend to change the background, I can do it. I'm choosing the cyan color and there it comes as cyan. Now I can opt to change the size of this QR code as per my requirement. If it is to be used on very small size paper or page, say A5 or A4 size, I think this size will be sufficient. Or if I have to make a big banner or a big poster in a big banquet hall or presentation hall, I'll have to make a larger QR code so that it can be scanned even from farthest distance. Error correction. I'm going back to a little lower size so that it appears on your screen. Now error correction, I can make the error correction. If I say low, it will have very rough or rather very precise dots and matrix. 25% will show a different matrix, 30% is very high one, and here it is. So once all these settings are done, I will say insert, and when I say insert, the QR code comes on my window. I can drag, drop, copy, paste this QR code on whichever applications or wherever I wish to print it or save it as. So now I'm going to use this QR code to scan it through my mobile and demonstrate you how to go to the desired page or the website. The same application can now be seen in Excel as well as Word. Here you see the app which is already now loaded in my Microsoft Office. This is Excel and I go to a Word page and the same application I see loaded here. So by clicking this, I can directly create a QR code to my desired site or location. Well, now let me give you a demo of how the QR code can be scanned through my mobile. So viewers, you are seeing my mobile screen and here I am going to demonstrate you how to scan a QR code. I have downloaded a QR code scanner from Google app and here I am going ahead with the scanning of the QR code that we have created. There it is. I am clicking on the page which it opens now and you can see that I have opened my YouTube channel page wherein I am publishing various videos for you to view and appreciate and like. So we have seen how a QR code can be created using Microsoft applications and how to scan those QR codes to reach the desired destined pages. So viewers, we have seen how can the QR code be scanned using various devices from either your laptop or your computer, or if you are printing it on a hard copy, it can be scanned from there too. So the hoardings which we see at many meetings or meeting places are prepared by printing these QR codes. We come to the closure of this video, and in this video, as demonstrated to you, various QR codes can be created and each QR code is unique for its application. I hope you have followed the video very well. You have liked it. If you have liked it, please mention and register your like at my YouTube channel and subscribe the YouTube channel with notification kept on for notifications of my further videos. Keep watching and enjoy. Bye bye.